In the last 24 hours, the cryptocurrency market has been bleeding profusely, with Bitcoin dropping below $20,000. Also, stock prices have nosedived. Nasdaq is the most affected. It fell by 2.05%, while S&P 500 went down by 1.85%. It didn't stop there. The benchmark stock index of the banking sector is not looking any better. The KBW Bank Index marked the biggest decline since 2020, falling by around 8% in just one day. Now, this might look small in crypto, but for Forex and stocks, it is huge. But the question is, why? Why did the price of Bitcoin and other crypto drop in the last 24 hours? I got your back in this video with these 6 factors and a possible way out. The first reason is that 2 major banks in the US are having financial troubles. The first bank is Silvergate Bank, one of the few banks that acts as an intermediary in the crypto space. 2 days ago, its parent company, Silvergate Capital Corporation, announced its intent to wind down operation and voluntarily liquidate the banking unit. Interestingly, Silvergate is yet another victim of the crypto winter following the implosion of FTX, which used the bank to transfer customers' funds. The bank suffered a significant decrease in deposits from over $10 billion in 2021 to $6.3 billion by the end of 2020, which has now led to the bank closure. This will definitely affect how money moves in and out of the crypto world. The second bank being the Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, another bank that provides banking service to crypto-friendly venture capitalists. It is also undergoing a crisis due to poor management. Just yesterday, the value of SVB's security plummeted by 60%. Its effect is also being felt in the crypto world. The next reason is Kucoin, which appears to be the latest victim of the recent crackdown by the US authorities on the crypto industry. Yesterday again, the New York Attorney General's office filed a lawsuit against Kucoin for allegedly representing itself as an exchange instead of a security and commodities broker-dealer. Surprisingly, the lawsuit described Ethereum's ETH as a security because ETH holders can earn financial reward since the blockchain now operates on a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. A lot of crypto enthusiasts don't agree with this. The US major feud is that Kucoin is not licensed in the US, and hence the exchange should not service US residents. The third possible contributor to this crash is Huobi, another large crypto exchange. It saw its native token collapse by 90% in the flash crash during Thursday trading between 3:45 p.m. to 6:10 p.m. As a result, the Huobi token lost over $200 million of its market cap, gone from within an hour. If you're mining Bitcoin in the US, the Whitehouse wants a 30% tax on your electricity. Joe Biden's aim is to discourage miners' activities in the US, and this might be the 5th contributing factor of this crash. Lastly, the plan to refund close to 142,000 Bitcoin to Mt. Gox users may also be contributing to this crypto dip. If this is your first time hearing about this Mt. Gox, please watch my video on the full story. Mt. Gox went bankrupt in 2014 after losing 840,000 of its users' Bitcoin to hackers. 142,000 of this Bitcoin has been recovered, and users are meant to start receiving it in the nearest possible time. If they sell it, it will crash the price. Personally, I don't think a lot of them are going to sell it, but speculators are riding this wave and crashing the price of the crypto market. In summary, negative events and new regulations are key factors that led to the downturn in the crypto market. If you notice, 5 out of the 6 events described earlier happened in just one day, Thursday, 9th of March, sending Bitcoin below $20,000. So, what is the way forward? Let's look at some tweets. Now, if you go to Kobayashi's letter, you see that breaking news, US stock and crypto have now lost over $2 trillion in market cap in under 24 hours. Then Miles made this tweet. These are 5 major headwind alarming the market right now. Empty goes 142,000 BTC unlock. Shanghai upgrade. This has to do with Ethereum, but I don't think people are going to sell their ETH when it's unlocked, because more people are even locking ETH as time goes, even at this time. Then Silvergate collapse, microeconomic shift, regulatory crypto clamp down. Of course, I've mentioned that. Then if you go to Arcan, it's saying here, Voyager Digital has been selling off 350 million plus worth of crypto assets from its on-chain holding over the past 6 weeks. So what this is saying now, Coinbase acquired Voyager, but Alameda is suing Voyager as Voyager is owing them. So Voyager is meant to sell off its assets and pay back Alameda or something like that. And they have been selling off over $350 million worth of crypto for the past 6 weeks. They're selling it gradually. The effect is not noticed, but because of this current cryptocurrency crash, once they sell that kind of amount, it's going to impact the price. Then if you go to look on chain, they are showing all the assets that Voyager is holding and what they are selling on Voyager. So what I want to do now is to just look at charts. So what is the way forward? Let's go to TradingView and look at charts. I'm going to quickly draw some key areas for you here on TradingView and show you what is happening. I think I should just use BTC USDT. Okay, I'm going to go to this is the chart on the daily, this TradingView. So I'm going to draw some, where is Ray? If you look at this is a key support area, right? A key support area. So if I draw this, it started around here. It's a key support area. It's around the $18,000, right? And let me pick it again. This is a key resistance area as well. It's around here. It's around here. That is, this is around the 25,000 mark. Okay. So it's also a key resistance area on the daily. I'm going to draw another one, right? This another one here. It's another key area, but it's not as strong as the other, but it's actually key. This is around the $20,000 mark, right? It's around here, around the $20,000 mark. Now, what we see is that Bitcoin has been ranging between $18,000 to $25,000. It's been ranging here. Now, this section here has to do with when FTS crashed. It broke it. It's happened. It's not meant to happen, but it happened. It meant to break it. So this section, that's what this section is showing. But Bitcoin has been ranging between $18,000 and $25,000. Now, I actually expect Bitcoin, it had tested $25,000 and came down, but I expect it to get to 20 and move up back. But because of this recent news happening, it came down, broke $20, right? It's still going down. It might hit $18,000 and bounce off back from there. That is what we're expecting. There should be a strong buy at 18,000. If it gets there, it should go up from here. So you can start buying around this point. But if it breaks this, if it breaks $18,000, let's say those who got their Bitcoin from Mt. Gox keep on selling and more bad news comes around and it breaks $18,000, then we should be expecting it to stop around $15,000, which is more like the next key area. So prepare your mind. Bitcoin may go to $18,000. If it goes below that, we can be looking at it going to 15, and if possible, man, what comes to us is going to $12,000. So guys, this is what has been causing the crypto crash, and this is what the chart is saying. I might be doing this kind of videos more often, so stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.